The specs on the new Maybach model are tight.
Yeah, make sure that steel is flawless. The alignment on this component needs to be within tolerance.
Got it, just securing the final bolt now.
The alignment on the Z-axis is still off by 2 millimeters.
Adjusting the calibration now. Let's run the diagnostic again.
Curve is precise. Good run.
Acknowledged. Specs are holding tight. We are clear for the next billet insertion. Monitor the cooling sequence on press 3.
The temperature gauge is steady at 10,050.
Good. Maintain the pressure sequence for the next billet.
Check the pressure on the hydraulic cylinders.
It seems stable, right within the parameters for the Maybach run.
The temperature gauge is stabilized at 150 Celsius.
Good. The hardening process is on schedule for the Maybach panel.
We are approaching the hardening temperature now.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimized.
The gauge is stabilizing at 150.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance.
The temperature on Unit 4 is stable at 150.
Acknowledged. Check glycol levels on Unit 7.
Check the temperature controls on line 3.
Readings are stable, maintaining optimal conditions.
We're maintaining a micron level tolerance here. Keep the temperature stable.
Confirmed. The S-Class components require absolute precision.
The spindle spins at a dizzying 5,000 RPM, ensuring surgical precision on every component.
alignments on the C-axis, reading slightly high near the weld point.
Surface finish looks good, but let's recalibrate the sensor before final verification.
The sensor data confirms the tolerance levels are within the acceptable margin. We can proceed to the next phase.
All parameters are within specification. Ready for final calibration sequence.
The alignment on the secondary manifold is reading slightly high.
Rerunning the calibration sequence now. Stand by for results.
The probe ratings on the starboard side are consistent.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows the weld integrity is flawless.
Check the tolerances on the rear panel.
Looks good from here. Data confirms green status.
The MBUX screen is secured.
Calibration looks good, all green on the radar sensor.
Our advanced coating systems ensure a flawless finish and precise functionality on every critical component.
Check the specs on the engine component.
Flawless finish achieved on the suspension arm, ready for testing. The coating application is stable at 99.8% efficiency. We are ready for the stress test.
This sensor needs alignment.
I am adjusting the torque now.
Check the thermal regulators.
Verified. Everything is within Maybach specifications.
System diagnostics complete. Every component is performing within the Maybach standard. All systems green on the powertrain diagnostics.
Confirmed. Ready for Level 2 analysis.
All green on the infotainment connection.
Good.
The radar module is seated correctly.
Calibration successful on the driver assist module. Confirmed. The tolerances are within the specified range.
The tolerances are well within Maybach specifications. Let's verify the electronic function next.
System calibration complete. All sensors operating within optimal parameters. Ready for final review.
The quality of this Napa leather is exquisite.
Yes, sir. And the customized ambient lighting has 74 different options.
As you can see, the leather is ethically sourced and incredibly soft. Yeah.
It truly elevates the cabin's ambiance.
The customer specifically requested this finish.
Yes, I have the specs right here in the brochure.